Hey everyone, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create realistic product mockups just like these right inside Photoshop Beta using Flux Kontext Pro as your AI model. Now you can mock up your client's logo or your own on almost any product and it actually looks real, not like you've stretched it and warped it onto a flat image. Start by placing your logo, then right-click on its layer and rasterize the layer. This way it can be used in your product mockups. Now select your entire artboard. That's Command A for Mac or Control A for Windows. Then hit Generative Fill. In the prompt box, add something like add this logo to, followed by your product. In the model, you want to make sure and select Flux Kontext Pro. Then hit Generate. The key is to be specific. Mention the product, its color, and even the material or lighting you want. That level of detail will help Photoshop generate the best results. You can use the same process for almost any product. Here are a few I created using the same approach. Mockups are such a great way to visualize your brand before you commit to production. You can instantly see how your logo looks on different materials and spot design issues early, like slogan text that's too small. The best part is you can test your logo on almost anything, from apparel and merch to packaging or even event signage, all without ever leaving Photoshop. Flux Kontext Pro can also refine what you've already made so you don't have to start from scratch. For instance, reversing these colors so the baseball cap is purple and the logo is white. You can also modify the product to be in a studio environment, including adding a backdrop color. You can add elements to your original prompt, like someone wearing your t-shirt, or you can change the environment they're in, like a park. You can even include the environment in the original prompt, like this woman wearing a tote bag at a business conference. And if you want a completely different mood, just reprompt for new lighting or camera angles. If your brand colors aren't quite matching, rasterize your layer, then open Adjust Colors. Photoshop will detect the main colors, like my signature purple, so you can fine-tune them for a consistent brand look across every mockup. Here's the final result, a complete set of brand mockups, from apparel and merch to a full trade show booth, all created with Flux Kontext Pro inside Photoshop Beta. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.